कहते हैं लॉज आर क्रिएटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट द पावरलेस। आज के टॉपिक में जाने से पहले प्लीज वॉच वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डायलॉग फ्रॉम मूवी देवदास।
कौशल्या मत सबको खेल दिखाता है। कौशल्या मेरी बेटी तो चांदी के रुपयों पर चलकर गई, पर देख देख तेरा बेटा तेरे अहम की चिता जला रहा है। हर नौटंकी के दो अंक होते हैं कौशल्या। पहले अंक में मैं और मेरी बेटी नाचे थे, और अब दूसरे अंक में तू और तेरा बेटा नाचेंगे।
ओके, तो कहने का तात्पर्य सिर्फ इतना है, 20-25 साल पहले ही इंडिया में जैसे क्राइम होते थे, डाउरी, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, ये काफी हीनियस क्राइम थे। आई मीन मेनी वुमेन्स डाइड because of dowry, domestic violence. After 20-25 years, what we see, India is still in two section. गांव में अभी भी सिचुएशन फिलहाल वैसी ही है, जहाँ पे डाउरी, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, और वही शहरों में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि सिचुएशन काफ़ी बदल चुकी है। As long as we are protecting women, we also have to ensure we are protecting the men which are getting murdered by the laws. To simplify divorce process, we need to ensure that the people who are taking the divorces are not the criminal. अगर divorce proceeding online कर दी जाए, which is virtual, so many cases में होता ये है, 80% of the divorces are raised by the women, and these divorces are filed into their own hometown, and then husband has to go and travel every time whenever there is a hearing. And we all know in India, tarik pe tarik and tarik pe tarik, so this divorce and any judiciary process takes lots of time. So why should we make them suffer, and why they cannot do this process online over the point number 2, alimony. सो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिवोर्सेस इसीलिए लंबे होते हैं क्योंकि डिवोर्स की अमाउंट फिक्स नहीं होती है, एंड एवरीबडी वांट अ बेटर अमाउंट. बट बिफोर वी गो इनटू एलिमनी, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर खुद का बच्चा भी है तो भी लॉ सेज वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम ओनली फॉर 18 years. इफ हस्बैंड हैज बीन आस्क्ड to provide support to family by any terms and condition, so wife can also support herself. Having said that, it is still responsibility of husband to support his ex-wife, but father of a girl can also add a contribution to this particular fund of alimony, so it should not be only burden on the husband. Point number 3, the legal rights of the kids. So legal rights of kids is very critical, and if you see the other countries, western countries, वहाँ पे होता है कि अगर कोई डिवोर्स में जा रहा है, if they are going through the divorce, both the parents get the equal rights for the kids, and मेरे ख्याल से हर हफ्ते में parents can visit, whoever get the primary rights, the secondary right person can visit the kid based on the frequency they define, and that is more about a weekly or on weekend. So nobody get deprived from the love of their kids. Indian law has to understand, अभी हमारे यहाँ पे joint families नहीं है, but still the cases are get added onto the in-laws of the husband or wife. That does not make any sense. And if it is identified these are false claims, then the person who add this false claim definitely need to get punished. Definitely we don't want to increase the number of separations, but wherever it is needed, these people should definitely get second chance. And the last point I would like to add from the movie called Harry Potter, this says power should remain with the people who do not demand it, the power. Having said that, tata, bye bye, and take care.